in some areas.
Really?
Some people skiing, cross-country skiing.
Oh,
The
you're.
dog.
They had that much snow?
Yeah. Unless that one's from...
Listen. What was that?
What was that?
That's a big owl.
That's a big-ass owl.
Wait a minute. Isn't it over that way? Oh.
Could have been. I don't know.
Like, I don't know. I have no idea. That was not an owl.
It didn't call back.
Do it again.
I heard a thump, though. Did you hear a thump?
Yeah, I heard like loud noise and then the hoot. Just one hoot. But like a 500-pound hoot. That wasn't an owl. They don't hoot like that anyway. They don't go hoot. Can we hear it again?
There's a picture from Matt at the sky.
What is it?
The picture of the sky.
Let me see. Oh, that's pretty. In the car?
It's this. Yeah, it's the same thing.
You're funny. God. Oh my God. Wait, do another hoot.
Woo! That wasn't really good.
See, the minute I pick my camera up and start aiming it somewhere, that's when it stops. But it was hanging around my neck, but I was recording.
Okay.
So maybe I got it on the recording. What do you think?
Hopefully.
Hello? Can we hear the toy again? Well, I can't hear anything with that airplane. Hello? One more time. Woo, woo, woo. There's something in there making noise.
I heard it too.
What was that? Talking? Or the toy?
Didn't sound like the toy.
No, it didn't. Hello? One more time? Please? Can we hear you one more time, please? Hello? How are you? Don't forget to get your peanut butter. Can we see an orb? Please? Anything. A noise, an orb. Crack us over the head.
Just one thing. We won't ask anyone.
And the owl sound? Hoo, hoo, hoo. If we heard that wolf howl like we did that one time, I'd be running. We can hear the wolf sound if you want.
Watch us fly like the wind if you hear the wolf.
We'll leave if we hear a wolf sound. Or a laugh. A laugh is good.
Come on, it's us. You know us.
Please?
Look how dark it is in there.
Yeah, it's pitch black in there. All right.
I hope you got it on your camera. Hopefully you got it recorded.
Recorded?
Yeah. Are you recording something?
Yeah. But I'm not putting my camera up because every time I do, everything stops.
Yeah, I got blank pictures and that.
Yeah. They know when you're aiming a camera at them. Hopefully I have the owl. Well, the big owl. Oh, can we get in an easier track here somewhere?
Probably not.
This is better. Watch me fall on my ass now. Oh. How many times? I told you about the time I was out at Stores Lake by myself and I got my foot caught in a vine. I had my glasses on, fell right on my face.
Oh, God.
Hit my glasses, hit my teeth.
Oh, God, no.
Yeah, but everything was okay. My glasses were fine, my teeth were okay.
You didn't break a tooth off?
No.
I always fear that when I fall, that I'm going to hit my teeth and break them.
I mean, smack on my face without being able to put my hands down. It was so fast.
No, I was at Stores Lake not too long ago, too. Didn't that big tree fall into the water? That big old creepy tree that...
Oh, did it?
I think
Oh,
so.
the old one?
Yeah, it's like at the top. It was at the top of the hill, and you could, as you looked out, it was over the other side of the bog.
Oh,
there. I
yeah.
think it fell during one of those storms.
Oh. That's terrible.
Yeah, I said it to myself. Is this that same tree? I think it was. So I couldn't find it.
Oh, it's the geese.
Geese.
Geese alert. They're going to bed.
Oh.
What?
I thought I saw shooting from here.
Really? Were there supposed to be any tonight?
Oh, there always is.
Oh.
Watch the sky long enough.
Oh, yeah. I can't. I gotta zoom in to see Mars. I can't find it. There's the moon. I can't find it. I need a tripod, you know?
I was laughing about walkie-talkies. We could talk to each other from our house.
Wouldn't that be funny?
I don't know what happened once we have.
Oh yeah, I don't know either.
They got to be somewhere because I found the prints and that picture.
Yeah. Yes. Oh, and you know, I could have packed them away too. I've got all that stuff in the basement packed away.
It's got to be somewhere.
All my prints, the casts, you know.
Yeah.
Do you have that 9-inch cast of the baby?
Yep. I got both of them.
Oh God, you got to take pictures of those and
I'll just give them to you.
the casts.
Yeah.
Wait. I just heard something. Geese. That's geese.
Oh, I heard
Ow. Something beside that?
earlier, laughing or whatever that was.
Hello?
Bud.
Yeah. Something was like crashed in there. And then we heard like laughing or something.
And it wasn't that thing because no one didn't.
No.
Because you had it all day, like you said.
Yeah, I've been playing with that thing for a while. And it doesn't,
It's cute.
I've never heard it make a whistling sound. I'm going to have to check that out. And I've never had it go off when you don't bump it. You have to really,
Yeah, move.
yeah.
Yeah.
So I think they were in there playing with it.
It is very intriguing. It's very cute.
Yeah. Well, I should have put it by where the peanut butter jars were so I'd know if they took it or not, because I don't even remember now where I left it. Right?
I have no idea.
And I was hoping it would be light enough out so I could go in there and see if that peanut butter jar's in there. The one from that they took over here.
Oh, right, right.
Because I found the lid, but I never found the jar. But it got dark too fast.
It did. It got dark instantly.
Yeah. 1 minute it's... What? What?
Something moved down here.
Huh? Really?
I think it's a little mouse. Yeah, it's running along this.
You're kidding.
No, little field mouse. You don't want to run with my pant leg.
Right? Into your shorts. Into your undies.
Underpants.
Oh, did you hear that? That echo?
Yeah. Pants.
Oh my God. That's a great echo.
It is.
Wonder why it echoes here.
Is it bouncing off of the shed? Must be.
Hello?
Hey.
Yep.
Yeah.
Hello? Nope, just by the shed. Hello? Yep. Hello, Bigfoot? Dogman?
No, tonight shouldn't have any lights on.
I don't think they're home. I don't think anybody's home. She'd have some lights on if she was there. Don't you think?
She's got balls to stay there after tea. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but you know, she lights that house up like a Christmas tree, which is something I would do too.
There's not one light on.
No. Probably up Christmas shopping.
Yeah.
Okay, so I went to Farm and Fleet while I was in Verona. And
Today?
yeah,
Where are you Verona for?
you know, to take Tartar too.
Oh, sure.
And the boy checking me out. First of all, he didn't want to turn his light on. And the girl next to him said, "Number 5 is open," because he was farting around, not doing it. And so I got in his line and I go, "So, you're having a good time today, huh?" And he goes, "Not really." And I go, "Yeah, funny, I could tell that." Dumbass.
Oh my God. It's probably some young stupid kid.
Yeah, who wants to just get back to his video games.
Yeah, no kid, you're paid to stand here and check people out.
Yeah.
That's what you're paid here to do, you
Yeah.
douchebag.
You don't, oh God, almost fell in that. It's like, you know, just act a little bit like you want to wait on me,
Yeah, I mean, because that's what you're there.
you dumbass. Nobody wants to really be working, but sometimes you gotta. Yeah. Hello? Hello? Wait, I'm trying to get my keys out. I've got too many keys on my thing. I feel like I can't even see. Okay, that was the trunk. That was not. That was dumb.
The trunk?
Yeah, I opened the trunk by mistake. I think your door should be open. Is it? Okay. Bye.
Bye. See you next time.
Bye. Goodbye.